Welcome to Island Smile YouTube channel. For today's recipe, let's make this sweet and spicy mango curry. You can serve this with your favorite rice and curry menu. Here are the ingredients to make the mango curry. 4 to 6 raw mangoes. These are usually found in supermarkets as cooking mangoes and they are not too raw or ripe. 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 large onion sliced fine, a handful of curry leaves, you can substitute this with a bay leaf, 3 to 4 cardamom slightly bruised, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, half a teaspoon of red chili flakes, 1 cup of sugar. You can add more to sweeten the mango curry as this is a sweet and spicy mango curry, 2.5 cups of water, salt to season. Now that you have all the ingredients to make the sweet and spicy mango curry, here's how you make it. First, we need to peel and cut the mangoes to the required size. As the mangoes are raw, you will need to use a cleaver to cut through it. Also, make sure to use an old wooden chopping board on a hard, durable surface. Use a pestle to hit over the cleaver to add more force to cut through the raw mango seed. Use a small pointy knife to dig out the seeds and then peel the mango skin. Place a pan over medium heat and pour in the oil. Add the sliced onions, curry leaves, bruised cardamom pods, chili powder, turmeric powder. Cook the onions until they turn soft and slightly golden in color. Add the mustard seeds a minute before you add the mangoes and stir with the onions. Reduce fire to low and add the raw mangoes to the tempered ingredients. Combine and cook for 2 minutes over low-medium heat. Add the water to completely submerge the mango pieces and continue to cook over low-medium heat. Add the sugar. Stir. Cover with a lid and slow simmer for 45 minutes or until the water reduces. If you notice that the mango is still hard, add more water and continue to cook over medium heat. Cook until the mango curry is thick and dark amber in color. Taste, remove from stove and leave the curry to cool. And this is your Sri Lankan sweet and spicy mango curry. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you next time with another great recipe you can try.